Solving percentage problems involves using this formula we have here up at the top. So we're going to use this for each one of the problems and just plug in the values based on the problem and what they say. So in the first example, we have what percent, so that's our x, of 29 is 3. So our is number is 3, of number is 29, our percent is x, that's what it's asking us to find, and it's always over 100. So now we cross multiply, we'll get 29x equals 300, and to solve for x, we divide by 29, so x equals 10.3%. So 3 is 10.3% of 29. Our next example, what is 42% of 86? So what is, that's our x. So is the x, of is 86, 42 is our percentage, and it's always over 100. We cross multiply, we get 100x equals 3,612. Then we divide by 100, both sides, x equals 36.12. So 42% of 86 is 36.12. Finally, 7 is 25% of what? So of is going to be our question, our x. We have 7 is the is number, of, we don't know that, 25%, always over 100. So now we're going to cross multiply, and we'll get 25x equals 700, divide by 25, divide by 25, and x is going to equal 28. So 7 is 25% of 28.